Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Learn in a Nutshell. So let's continue. Previously, we saw how to load product types into a Commercetools application via Terraform. So you can check out that video if you have not already checked it out. Now, what we'll do is let's try to add a project setting. Get it terraformed. So basically, you'll have to go to the resource. Under that, you just go to Commercetools Project Settings. You'll get the example of how it has to be done via Terraform. And as I told previously, you can scroll down and see what is the equivalent of Commercetools. You'll get to see everything over here. So go back, click on new file. Let's name it as project settings. You need to give the extension as TF Terraform. Press enter. Paste the content as it is. Now you can give whatever name you want. Unfortunately, cannot do for project key. Project key has to be that is only set once at the time of project creation. Let's keep the country just to differentiate. Let me give just one country, Great Britain, and one currency, that is Great Britain pounds. And language, let's keep it as ENGB. We don't want external auth, so you can just comment it. So hopefully this comment should work here. So if you want, you can enable whatever is required, but I'll just remove all these things I don't require. Other than messages, I'm just going to comment everything. So apart from that, I don't require country, tax rate, fallback, or any of this for now. So let me just comment this and let me run Terraform plan. So it says invalid, so we cannot give this project key. I believe that's the one. Invalid configuration for read-only attribute. Cannot set value for this field as the provider has marked it as read-only. So we cannot give project key. We need to comment this as well. So let's try this now, what it comes. So it says plan 1 to add, 0 to change. So these are the changes it's going to do. Name and search index, currency, country. So before that, let's see what is the current settings that is available. You go to project settings. These are the settings that is currently available here. So what we will do is let's apply and see. Reconfirm it. So applied successfully. Let's reload this and see what it has come up. So if you see in the top, the project name has changed to my project. Great Britain pound, British pound has come up, and the language is ENGB. Country is United Kingdom. So if you see other settings, we have not done anything. The taxes, nothing is available here. So if you want, you can create all these things via Terraform itself, but I'll not do this. You can enable the storefront search as well. For that, you can just check what is the equivalent. Enable search index product is there. So what we'll do is let's copy this and put it here and give the name as true. Let's see if this comes up. Terraform plan. So it says want to change. Let's apply this. So basically it has a state, it has a copy of what it has done previously. That's how it is tracking what has to be changed or what has to be added. So previously we added something, based on that it is saying now it has to change. So it's applied successfully. Hopefully the index should be activated probably. Let's check. So it's indexing. So that's also done. If you want, you can add stores. So what we'll do is, as part of taxes and shipping methods also, we'll do it as part of project setting itself, but in a separate file. So for that, let's go to tax category, and tax category rate also you can go. So we can copy this. So if you see in tax category, it will say how to create a tax category, and in tax category state it says how to add a tax category rates, accordingly for country wise, or whether to give free. All those things settings can be done over here. So let's use this and create a new file called tax category. Let's follow the underscore method itself and give tf. So standard tax, let's keep all the name as it is, and also you can provide the key. So let's name it as standard tax. So standard tax category. Apart from that, let's give it as GB, as we are doing for GB. Country is GB, and the commerce tool. This is how you read the ID. So basically, you'll have to give the resource name and its name accordingly, and then give .id. So whatever is created, it will fetch the ID for that and come back and add it over here. And there's a name for the tax rate. What is the amount? It's saying 19%, included in price or not. Let's give it as true. Country, I've given it as GB. Subrate, I'll not give it. Let's remove subrate. So this one we don't require. Let's remove this as well. So let's plan this, and it says two things to add. So let's apply this. So you can apply and check if everything has you can apply and check if everything has come as expected. So if I come here to taxes and refresh the page, you will see the tax category, standard tax category, standard tax. And if you open this, you can see, so we have not given a key for that. So United Kingdom tax subrates we have not added. If you want, you can add that as well. So this is how you add tax rate. So I wanted to add this as part of project setting itself. So apart from this, now let's add one shipping category as well. Shipping category .tf. So for this, let's again go back, see for shipping method. For shipping zone rates also you can copy here. It will have all the options. It will if you want, you can create a category again, and specific to shipping also you can create a category. So let me copy this itself and paste it here. Let me give it as shipping tax category. Shipping tax category key. Shipping again over here. And let's create a shipping method as well. Let's remove some from here that's not required. Shipping method, standard method. Shipping method is default. Let's keep it as default. Let's get the shipping category tax category ID. Just need to copy this and replace it over here to get the idea of the created tax category over here for shipping specifically from the above. And if you want, you can add some predicate. And we need to add some zones as well for the shipping. So Commercetools shipping zone. So we'll give it as shipping zone. And here you can add the shipping rates as well. So we can change this. My shipping method is correct. My shipping zone is correct. Price above currency is GBP. That's what I'm following. Free above 50,000 cents. That is 500, I believe. GBP. Shipping rate price tier. If you want, you can add that. Let's keep it as it is. Hopefully, it should not bother. So let's try to run this and see how this has come up. It says 4 things to add. So previously there is no shipping method. So let's see what happens after applying. If I apply this, just confirm with yes. So there is no shipping rate input type defined on the project. Please define one to be able to use shipping price tiers. There is no shipping rate input type created. So we'll do one thing, we'll remove this shipping rate price tier. It's not required. So let's plan it again. So if it's required in your project, you can do that as well. Apply now. So everything is added. Now let's refresh. So there is one shipping method. So zone is also added and it says free above 500 and shipping rate is 50 for anything below that. So this also is done. So if you see, zone is added over here as well. And storefront search also should be done now. So that is also done. Now you can add channels as well accordingly as per your requirement. You can go to channels, copy this, copy the code as it is and give the name as channels.tf and paste it here. I'll not add, I'll just change this one. so that the language is ENGV. So let's see what happens now if we plan this and apply it. Confirm with yes. So this is done. Now if I go here and refresh, so it is applied. It's created, and you can see a channel is also created over here. Similarly, you can try with stores as well. So that's how you do the project settings. You can move all this to a folder if you want. You can name it as project settings folder. So let me create one, or else let me do it in the next video, so that I need to create a main Terraform file as well. From there we have to create modules, and then we can move all these things accordingly. But as of now, let's keep it as it is, and let's do all those things in the coming videos. So I hope you all like the videos, guys. If you like this video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. If you have any queries, please post in the comment section. I'll make sure that I answer that. And if there is any issues, also you can post in the comment section. Yeah, please do share with your friends if they are also learning Terraform. Hope this was useful. Let's catch again next video. Until then, see you. Bye.